Anytime I do, whether night or day, I day on my chase. Even on my leg, they go they dance to the bed, they go feel like rain. Cause anything where I drop, then go chop a J. Whether night or day, I day on my J.
Canadian ice wine.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. I'm from Canada.
Person, they know they pay to the learning lesson.
I feel really welcome. I had my first pepper soup and it was amazing. I connect with really nice people and I'm having a lot of fun. So I feel blessed. I feel lucky to be surrounded by so many interesting people and, share a really special moment. And I'm full of gratitude. So thank you so much.
What kind of strategic partnerships we can have, what kind of collaborations we can put together. Already with AY, we're thinking about doing exactly that. I know that he has a film in Canada. I know that he has toured Canada with his comedy. Now we're trying to take that a little bit further. Collaborations with Canadian institutions and stakeholders, because I think that's exactly what is going to connect people further.
Aside from just having the Deputy Commissioner here tonight, I've had conversations with maybe 2 or 3 persons that might lead to something amazing.
The possibility of us sitting down and beginning to map out how we can be involved in the creative space in Canada has just begun.
And I would say one last thing that it's been only, as I mentioned to you, only 4 months that we're in Nigeria, but it feels so nice. I think Nigeria is a country that everybody should discover to put on their list. Nigerians are so welcoming. And I think that this is a testament of what's happening tonight. So thank you.
Come to Nigeria. Come to Lagos. This is something that everyone should see.
Make it dance, baby. That the music they play, baby. Almost say you could dance, baby. Charlie make it dance, baby.